Welcome to this class. Interest, discounts, and commission are motivational tools in every business. In this video, we will be looking at simple interest, discounts, and commission. Now let's begin with simple interest. First and foremost, let us look at the meaning of the word interest. Interest is the fee paid on an amount of money, whether it is loaned, borrowed, or invested. In other words, it is an additional amount of money that you get when you loan out your money or invest it at a given rate. Now, when the interest is calculated on a fixed amount of money, it is called simple interest. Otherwise, it is called compound interest. Now, what this means is that in simple interest, the principal, that is the amount that was invested, loaned out, or borrowed, is called the principal. If the interest is calculated on the principal that is fixed yearly, that is per annum, without changing, it is called simple interest. The formula for simple interest is PRT over 100. PRT over 100. Now let's see the meaning of these letters. P means the principal, that is the amount that was invested or borrowed out. Then arrow means rate, which is the rate of the interest. The rate of the interest. It is usually given in percentage. Then T means time, the period for the investment. The period for the investment, which could be in months or in years. Now let's take an example. Find the simple interest on 5,000 naira for 3 years at 2% per annum. Like I said before, per annum means yearly. And also find the total amount at the end of the period. That is at the end of the 3 years. What is the accrued or accumulated amount? Now let's begin the calculation. Now, first and foremost, we are going to put down the formula, which is interest equal to P arrow T over 100. That is the formula. So the calculation here, we have the principal, the amount that was invested now is 5,000 naira times the rate, which is 2%, 2, then times the time, which is 3 years, all over 100. So the next thing is to cancel out the zeros, cancel the 2 zeros here, as you can see. Then we have 50 times 2 times 3 left. And 50 times 2 times 3 gives us 300 naira. That is the interest. Then the second question says, find the total amount at the end of the period. Now the total amount, which is A, is equal to the principal plus the interest. So what is the principal? The principal here is 5,000 naira plus the 300 naira, and that gives us 5,300 naira. As you can see, that is the amount at the end of the period. I hope that was clear. Let's take another example. Find the simple interest on 2,000 naira for 6 months at 4% per annum. Per annum means yearly. Hence, find the total amount to be paid back at the end of the period, which is for 6 months. First and foremost, we'll calculate for the interest, and the formula for the interest, as usual, is I equal to P arrow T over what? 100. Hope we've gotten that already. So the next step is to go straight to the calculation. Here we have 6 months. So we are given in months, we base it over 12, because in a year we have 12 months. So we convert the 6 months to years by dividing by 12. So we're going to have 2,000. Let's fix the values now. 2,000 times 4, which is the rate, times the time, which is 6 all over 12. Like I said, you are given in months, so you divide by 12. 12 has to be there. Then, as usual, times the 100. Times the 100. Let's cancel that. I'm sure cancelling is not difficult. The zeros cancel the zeros here. Then 6 here, 1. 6 here is 2. Very simple, I guess. Then 2 here, 1. Then 2 here, we have 2. So 2 times the 20 remaining gives you 40. So the interest here, which is I, is 40 naira. 40 naira at the end of the 6 months. And the next question says, find the total amount to be paid back. So how much do you pay back? Amount, the formula for amount is principal, which is the 2,000, plus the interest that you have calculated. That's P plus I. and that gives us 2,000 plus 40. 2,000 plus 40. So at the end of the addition, you're going to be left with 2,000 and 40 naira. This is the amount to be paid back. I'm sure that was simple enough. Now let's look at the next, which is discounts. Discounts. What is discount? A discount is a reduction in price of an item. When the price of an item is slashed, it could be maybe during promo, that is promotion, when the item is being promoted, or when you buy in bulk, buy plenty of it, or buy in cash. They can decide to give you discount, and it is usually calculated in percentage. So discount is usually given in percentage. All right, so let's see an example. Find the discount price if a discount of 12.5% is given on a suit marked 28,000 naira. What is the discount price? Now the discount price is a price after the discount has been removed, when what the buyer pays, when there is a slash in the price of an item. Okay, so we're going to do first, we're going to find the discount. So discount is calculated like this. We have 12.5%, so it converts to improper fraction, and that gives you 12 times 2 plus 1, which is 25 over 2. So since it is in percentage, and percentage means over 100, you multiply this 2 by 100, multiply the 2 by 100, and that gives you 200. Hope you can see that. Then times the marked price, which is 28,000 naira. So let's cancel out. The zeros cancel, 2 zeros here. Okay, so 2 here, 1, 2 here is 140. So 140 times 25 is 3,500 naira. This is the discount, the amount to be deducted from the marked price. So let's see what the buyer pays. Now to get what the buyer pays is to subtract this discount from the marked price, which is 28, and that gives us the discount price, which is the amount the buyer pays for the item. So 28,000 minus 3,500 gives us 24,500 naira. This is the amount that the buyer pays, which is the discount price. You can see that the value has been reduced. The amount for the item has been reduced, and that is what we call discount. So the buyer pays 24,500 naira instead of the marked price, which is 28,000 naira. So there's a reduction in the price of the item. Let's take another aspect, which is commission. What is commission? Commission is a payment for helping to sell an item. Now it's different from discount. It's just an amount that you are given for helping an individual or an organization to sell an item. In other words, you act as an agent for helping to sell the product or the item. You are given a certain amount of money, which is called commission. It is not a reduction in price. It is, an agreement between you and the company or organization for what you are given. So it's a payment for helping to sell an item, maybe as an agent. So the more sales you make, the more commission you get. Hope you got that. So if you sell more, your commission, grows bigger. All right. So let's take an example. An example of commission. An example of commission. A salesman sells a TV set. A TV set worth 28,400 naira. 28,400 naira. His commission is 20%. His commission is 20%. How much money does he get? Now we're going to convert the commission, which is 20%, into real value money. So how do you go about it? Simple. Now commission is equal to 20% of 28,400 naira. So 20% here means 20 over 100. That is the meaning of 20%. Then times the 28,400 naira. Just as easy as that. So let's do the cancelling. Let's cancel out, as you can see, the zeros. Cancel the zeros here. So what we have here is easy. So we have 20 times 20, 284. 20 times 284 gives us 5,680. So this is the amount that the salesman gets for selling a TV set worth 28,400 naira. He gets 5,680 naira as his commission. I hope that was very, very simple. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.